The most common edge-type features on your parts will be chamfers, fillets, and rounds. Chamfers, fillets, and rounds are edge treatments that are typically used for one or more of these reasons. It could be due to part strength, aesthetics, burr removal, or easier assembly. As you can see, we have all three types on this part right here. A fillet and a round are both types of radii. However, a fillet is typically a rounded internal edge, where a round is a rounded external edge. A chamfer is an angled cut on the edge, and these can be either internal or external. Fillets and rounds are dimensioned using the radius symbol, regardless if they're internal or external. Chamfers are dimensioned in a couple ways. You can see it dimensioned with the length and the angle, or you can see it dimensioned the length by the length. Now, if you see the angle being used, and it's not 45 degrees, the surface to which the angle is measured will be made clear on the print, just like this one right here.
Our goal is to be your best source for GD&T information online. It's important to us that everyone involved in engineering and manufacturing have the chance to learn and better understand GD&T on your prints. We have many free resources to help you get started on your learning journey. Subscribe to our GD&T community using the link in the description below or visit our website. Test your knowledge with our GD&T and print reading quizzes. Download helpful charts and access articles written by our training experts.